Hello and welcome back to How Trusted Info. In this video, I will show you how to remove a Google account from REALME 11 Pro Plus. Let's begin! First of all, we want to enter our settings. Inside settings, we can basically scroll all the way down and then go into users and accounts. As you can see, we only have really one account currently logged in, and it is our Google account. Click on that. We can then click three dots in the top right corner, and here we can see remove account. Now, very important, this won't really remove your account from existence. It will only remove the account from your device. So even if you click this now, you will still be able to log in to it, for example, from any other device, even this one. So I will just input remove account. We are tasked if we are sure, because device protection will just no longer work. This is because Google is pretty important in the Android ecosystem, but we want to ignore it. Let's enter OK, and now we must input our current log screen password in order to perform that action. For me, it's a very simple L shape, and as you can see, that's literally it. We are now logged out. If we would try to enter, for example, Play Store, we will be tasked with signing in because we have no other Google accounts logged in onto our device. And that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and as always, watching. Bye!